Nakapagod, pero masaya. I'm the youngest one to run, no? So, palagi ko niyan, it's your burden na magpakilala ka. Kumbaga parang, sa totoo lang, of course, you guys don't know me naman, but a lot of my contemporaries will say na hindi ako sanay na ipagmalaki yung mga accomplishments ko. No? Honestly, to be frank, no, it's very weird for me. But these days, kailangan magpakilala. No? I mean, people don't know you eh. So they might have heard of you or they might have watched you on TV at one point. Of course, there was a time when I was on TV. Pero ngayon, kailangan talagang, talagang ikwento mo. Ano ba yung mga ginawa mo nung nasa National Youth Commission ka? Ano yung mga pinaglaban mo noon? Ano yung trabaho mo sa social enterprise, which itself is a new sector. So that in itself is a challenge, no? How to explain social enterprise, tumutulong ka pero gamit mo yung negosyo sa pagtulong sa mga komunidad, no? It's not very easy to grasp also. But you have to do that effort. But ang experience ko naman masaya kasi there are a lot of volunteers, a lot of people who want to help. In fairness, actually, marami sa mga Pilipino, they just want to see good people in the Senate, no? They just want to see people are honest, people who are willing to serve, walang ibang agenda. They just want to see those types of people there. So, in fairness, pag nag-iikot naman kami, you get to talk to whether they're local government officials, broadcasters, businessmen, professionals, or farmers. I mean, iba-ibang mga pinangagalingan, pero lahat sila, the common thing is they want to see people who are really willing to serve and really ready to serve in these positions, no?